Hey guys, welcome to Lifestone TV. We cover personal development and so much more. I'm Marcel. In this video, I want to talk about pink Botswana agates. And as you can see, not all pink Botswana agates are going to be very pink. This crystal has a large spectrum of different varieties of colors, which include black, gray, orange, pink, purple. And this is our soap bar, which features pink Botswana agate. So this actually has acai in it, which is an organic superfood from Brazil, and it has a lot of antioxidants. And this soap actually also features juniper berry and then the pink Botswana agate, of course. So as you can see, this one is loose. This one came out of one of the soap bars. This crystal, pink Botswana agate, symbolizes attracting good energy, attracting positive vibes, good people into your life. And it's all about quality versus quantity with people and with places and everything, right? Like just having a really like friendly, comforting vibe. So the affirmation that comes with our soap friendship bar right here is: I invite supporting and comforting vibes into my inner circle. My connections with others only grow stronger. And the reason I chose pink Botswana agate to go along with the juniper berry and acai berry is because this soap has such a fun, bubbly, like berry. It's purple, grayish purple color, and it's so cute. It's honestly so cute, and it's all about having like that connection with others and just spreading positivity and love and unity and friendship. So that's why we called it friendship. And all of the ingredients are really fun. It's all organic, and it's made with shea butter, of course. All of these are available on our website, which is lifestoneusa.com. I will leave it in the description as well. And if you're new to this crystal, I definitely recommend trying it out, because whenever I use it, I actually just give it away usually. This is more about gifting. So if you are looking for a gift for your best friend or anyone really, this is a really great soap, because then after they're done washing and massaging with the soap, you actually have the crystal left over. So it's like a lot of things in one. It's like 3 things in one. It's a soap, a massager, and then of course like you have the loose crystal afterwards, which is like a little bonus, a little present. And I always say you can wire wrap this and make a beautiful, lovely necklace, or you can actually use it as a massager just like that, right, outside of the soap. But these soaps are really designed to massage you as you bathe and give yourself a stone massage in the shower. So that's really the beauty in them as well. You can also flip them over stone side down, and the stone will actually like elevate the soap bar. So when you're draining the soap, it doesn't, get all soft and gooky and messy. You can actually drain the water out that way. So it does help with that. I think I'm gonna leave it at that, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram at Lifestone USA. I'm gonna be uploading a lot more videos. They're just gonna be unedited. Obviously, I'll make mistakes, and that's okay. And I thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey, and I'm looking forward to expanding all of this and really growing and doing more of what I love, which is really making an impact and an impact. And I have so much passion for connecting with others online and in person. And check us out on the website, which is again lifestoneusa.com. Thanks so much, and peace and gratitude.